is Riley McMillan. I work for a company called Zircoa. We specialize in zirconium oxide. We produce high-temperature ceramics and refractory products. We're used in the aerospace industry, we're used in the medical industries, and primarily the steel industry. I use Syspro every day in the inventory modules, the sales orders, the purchase order, the requisition systems. We use every aspect of Syspro. Before, everyone in the company couldn't see what was going on in inventory. They couldn't see what's going on with planning. Now everyone can see everything. Since Syspro, our company has grown as far as revenue, absolutely. So we save time, we save money, and we've also been able to generate more revenue. So Syspro as an ERP system is one of the best dealing with manufacturing, the manufacturing processes. They allowed us to link with other customers to walk us through the process. They are very knowledgeable about the manufacturing process, and other ERP systems are not. Using Syspro's customer portal has made our customers feel more appreciated, has allowed them visibility of our product, has made them more comfortable to be a customer with us. So Syspro's customer portal was a great idea. Syspro's support team is phenomenal. It's always there when you need them. They answer right away. They never delay with responses, and they make sure you get what you need. So I've been working with Syspro for 3.5 years now. I feel like an expert. It's been 10 years thanks to the support team. They train well, they handle complaints, the support tickets, info zone, the learning channels, all these opportunities to learn. And everything doesn't cost money at Syspro. My encounter with Syspro has been great for the 3.5 years, and I look forward to continue working with Syspro. I have many friends struggling with ERP systems currently. I told them even if I move to a new position, if I'm not in the same company and they're with a different ERP system, they're transitioning to Syspro. Syspro is phenomenal.